Hi everyone, Matt Weston here from Vantage 365. So you're interested in PL-900, the Power Platform Fundamentals. Is this course right for you, and what actually is it? So PL-900 is a certification course by Microsoft. It is the entry level certification to the Power Platform learning track. Now what the Power Platform Fundamentals covers is the what and the why around what the Power Platform is. So it's ideal for people who are just starting, maybe people who want to career switch into the Power Platform but want a little bit more of an understanding, or even from a business decision maker point of view, to be able to get an understanding of what the Power Platform is and to decide whether you actually want to invest in it. It will cover the high-level fundamentals around Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and also Power Virtual Agents. So it covers all of the key elements of what the Power Platform is, and also talks about some of the more advanced features such as Power Pages and AI Builder. It's only a day in length, so it's very much a theoretical course to give you the basic understanding and the context around what the various services are and how they can be used. So it's a great starting point to really just get your feet wet into the Power Platform and take your first steps on the Power Platform learning track. If you have any questions around it, please do reach out. Please do let us know. We'll be happy to answer and also to help you understand if this is the right course for you.